Welcome to Think, Play, Create. Today, we'll learn the names of 50 amazing animals. Do you love animals?
This is an elephant. This is a bear. This is a buffalo. This is a camel. This is a cat. This is a chimpanzee. This is a cow. This is a crab. This is a crocodile. This is a crow. This is a deer. This is a dog. This is a dolphin. This is a donkey. This is a duck. This is an eagle. This is a bat. This is a fish. This is a fox. This is a frog. This is a goat. This is a hen. This is a horse. This is a hyena. This is a leopard. This is a lizard. This is a monkey. This is a parrot. This is a peacock. This is a pig. This is a pigeon. This is a rabbit. This is a rat. This is a rooster. This is a seahorse. This is a sea lion. This is a seal. This is a llama. This is a sheep. This is a snake. This is a sparrow. This is a squirrel. This is a stingray. This is a swan. This is a tiger. This is a tortoise. This is a whale. This is a wolf. This is an owl. This is a lion.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest videos. Stay tuned and don't forget to ring the bell button.